his hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't.
This is my M1 iPad Air. I have already uploaded the unboxing video, so go check it out. First, I'll be finding for wallpaper, and it literally takes hours, to be honest, to find the best one. I'll be going for purple because I want purple theme. Finally found this one. Also, these kind of wallpapers are so in trend right now. To be honest, it looks cute already. Now next, I'm gonna organize my notes. Gonna delete my old notes and folders of my previous semester and gonna make new folders for this semester. 5 folders for 5 subjects. Also gonna organize files, doing the same stuff pretty much, deleting stuff and making new folders for this semester. I'll make a uni folder and put all the subjects in this folder. Time to install some widgets. Widgets just make your iPad look way more cooler. I am using this X panel extra large widget and changing its color. Now putting it in the right place. I'll be using more widgets from top widget only. Here I am changing its color to purple. To add this widget on your screen, long press the screen, then click the plus icon, then click on the top widget, then select the size, long click the widget, click on edit widget and choose the correct one. So this is the very final look of my iPad. The very first thing is this widget, and again this widget is from top widget. This is a calendar widget where I changed its background to purple. The next widget is this tick app widget where I write my to-do list. The next widget is a photo widget to add some aesthetic. Again I use top widget for it. Similarly, this is another photo widget. I have kept all the apps which I use very frequently on the very first page. Also, I have changed the icons to purple. Like I use GoodNotes a lot and I use YouTube a lot, literally. Also, by the way, a sub to the channel will be really great. I used reminders a lot, but nowadays I moved to TikTok, Notes, Spotify, Calendar, and Colano. Another very useful widget is the weather widget, which is must. Moving on to the next page. The first widget is again a photo from top widget, and this is my Notion home page widget. More photo widgets of different sizes. This is TikTok widget where I track my habits. This is a mood tracker widget. I really like its interface. It's simple yet cute. Battery widget and other apps which I use less frequently are also here. Also, I have made separate folders. Like here I have all my editing apps and entertainment apps in different folder. This makes everything look so neat and organized. And in the third page I have apps which I use very less frequently, obviously, like widgets and clock and other Apple apps. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching till here. This was my iPad setup and tour as a student.